folks, I got a little bit of gold scrap there. Just came off some knives. They have some pretty good gold in it. Clink. Oh yeah, it worked okay. It might be alright. Yeah, that one big dude, look at that, 8.2. These little guys won't weigh much. 9.9. Got one little piece left here. I'm going to put them in dilute nitric. I'll put them in dilute nitric first. And we'll see what they become. It's like always, folks, got to toast this stuff. We toast it to burn up any oils or anything that are on our hands, any debris, any organics, you know, that we certainly don't want to put in with our gold. You don't need to melt them or anything. You just need to, you know, get them where they don't smoke on them. Folks, I got a nice brand new there, washed just one time. Little pitcher beaker. Yeah, it's kind of cute. I like it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like that. Anyway, I'm going to put this toasted. Yeah, first a little bit of ashes or debris or whatever in there. I'm rinsing off here with water. There we go, that's better. Yeah, it looks way better. I'm going to go with just dilute nitric. That's this first. Okay, folks, you can see I got roughly 100 milliliters of water in there. That lid off. I got some nitric acid here. I'm going to add just a bit here. Something like that. Good strong acid solution. And we'll watch it. There's a lot of copper coming off already. And I see plate coming off it, so we know right away it's not carrot. Yeah, folks, after this nitric burns, and dumping off the solution, which is about, I don't know, looks a lot like copper. Almost all copper. Anyway, there's our gold. Not much. But anyway, I got them processed, and I'm just going to add this gold to some other gold. Not going to weigh it even. It's very little, maybe a 1/10 or 2, I don't know. Not much. I ran it in that dilute nitric until, you know, to smithereens basically. And so there's very, very little other material in there other than gold. So I'm just going to put it, like I said, with something else, and we'll refine it the rest of the way a little bit later. There you have it, baby.